This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400, roaring with modern power, dripping in bright red and ready to dominate every road it touches. You think you've seen muscle cars? Think again. This Restomod will change everything you thought you knew about classic American performance. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, you are about to witness something truly spectacular, a masterpiece from the golden era of muscle cars, yet fully modernized for today's thrill seekers. Feast your eyes on the 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 Restomod, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops traffic in its tracks. From the moment you set eyes on it, the high-impact bright red paint and the dual-scooped hood tell you this isn't just any Firebird, this is a Formula 400, a rare, highly collectible gem verified by its VIN plate. Every panel, every curve, every contour on this machine has been refined to perfection. Look closely and you'll notice the precision in its body panel gaps, an attention to detail that hints at hours of craftsmanship. Sitting on a set of aggressive 17-inch American racing wheels, this Restomod perfectly balances vintage charm with modern stance, making it impossible to ignore. Step closer and the interior welcomes you like a time capsule updated for the modern driver. The vibrant red vinyl upholstery is practically flawless, hugging bucket seats with a comforting firmness. The restored center console is where the magic begins. The Hurst shifter sits ready to command the Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, letting you connect to this car like nothing else on the road. Ahead of you, the dash is a blend of classic Pontiac design and meticulous restoration. The instrument cluster gauges are crystal clear, the dash pad unmarred by time, and the wood grain bezel is as pristine as the day it rolled out of the factory. And just when you think the cabin couldn't get better, there's a modern touch that will make your road trips unforgettable. A retro-style AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth connectivity and auxiliary port combined with vintage air climate control, giving you the comfort of modern amenities while basking in classic American muscle nostalgia. Now, let's pop the hood. This is where dreams meet reality. A 400 cubic inch V8 roars to life, an iconic engine that is fully modernized with a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system. That means precise throttle response, excellent drivability, and no compromises no matter the weather. Complemented by MSD ignition, long tube headers, and a dual exhaust, this Formula 400 doesn't just move, it dominates. And thanks to the Muncie 4-speed manual, every ounce of power is in your hands, ready to be unleashed on the asphalt. Stopping is just as thrilling as going. Wilwood power disc brakes on all four corners with slotted and drilled rotors ensure that no matter how aggressively you push this car, it will respond instantly with absolute confidence. Add power steering, and this car doesn't just drive, it dances. And don't worry about the structural integrity. Underneath, this Firebird is solid, giving you the peace of mind that this is a car built to last. Cruising in the Formula 400 Restomod isn't just about speed, it's about presence. Imagine rolling down the street, the sun catching the bright red finish, the ram air hood gleaming, the dual scoops announcing your arrival. This car commands respect. Pedestrians stop, other drivers stare, and every corner you take becomes a cinematic moment. The thrill of driving this car is a sensory overload. The roar of the V8, the feel of the leather bucket seats, the tactile precision of the Hurst shifter. Whether it's a weekend cruise, a car show, or just a joyride through winding back roads, the 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 Restomod doesn't just deliver an experience, it defines it. And here's the best part, despite all the modifications and modern upgrades, this car retains its collectability. It's a rare breed, a perfect marriage of classic 1970s muscle car aesthetics with contemporary performance enhancements. For just $65,995, you're not only investing in a car, you're investing in history, style, and pure adrenaline. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of muscle car history that looks, feels, and drives like the ultimate collector's dream, this is your opportunity. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400 Restomod isn't just a car, it's a statement. And trust me, once you've felt the wheel in your hands and heard that V8 come alive, you'll understand why legends like this never go out of style. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit like, and turn on notifications because we have plenty more legendary machines coming your way. And don't just watch, comment below if you could take this Firebird out for a spin, where would you go first?